Moving Die Rheometer System, operational video. Weigh the raw rubber compound. For accurate results, use a sample between 5 to 8 grams as per standard MDR testing procedures. Ensure that the power supply and air compressor are properly connected. Set the air pressure to 0.5 megapascals to enable effective sealing of the die cavity. Launch the MDR control software on your computer or touchscreen interface. Turn the main power knob clockwise to activate the machine. Once the device connects to the software, you'll see a confirmation that the system is online and ready. In the software interface, set the appropriate code number for your material and input the testing duration, typically based on your formulation standards. Wait for the heating chamber to reach the target temperature of 180 degrees Celsius. Allow the system to stabilize. When the temperature display holds steady at 180 degrees Celsius, the system is ready for sample insertion. Observe the software's live indicator. Flashing signals confirm that the machine is in ready mode. Using tweezers, place the pre-weighed sample into the heated mold cavity. Press the Start Test button in the software to begin the rheological analysis. Watch the live torque curve as the compound undergoes vulcanization. The curve reflects viscosity, curing rate, and other critical properties. When the program test time is complete, the MDR will automatically stop the test and release the sample. Click the Report button to generate and print the full test report, including key parameters such as ml, mh, TS2, T90, and more.